Have you ever watched a movie that stayed in your heart for a long time? Not just because the story was great, but because of the people who watched it with you? Welcome to Candy English Podcast. I'm Candy. I'm an English coach.
And I'm Young. I'm learning English.
Recently, I showed the movie Project Hail Mary to my high school students. It is a long movie, more than 2.5 hours. When the movie ended, something wonderful happened.
What happened?
One student said, "It was the most interesting movie I've ever seen." Another student said, "I don't even want to leave my seat yet." Hearing those words made me very happy.
Wow, that is one of the best compliments a teacher can receive.
I think so too, and it reminded me of something important. Watching movies in class is not only about learning English, it is also about sharing an experience.
What do you mean by that?
When people watch the same movie together, something special happens. Everyone laughs together. Everyone feels nervous together. Everyone feels excited together. And everyone feels moved together. For a few hours, they travel through the same story.
Almost like going on an adventure together.
Exactly. In Project Hail Mary, we traveled through space. We faced danger. We worried about the future of Earth. We celebrated small victories. And we hoped for the best. Even though it was only a movie, we shared those emotions.
That is interesting. The movie itself is the same, but the experience changes depending on who watches it with you.
Yes, a movie can feel very different when you watch it alone. When you watch it with others, their laughter, surprise, and emotions become part of the experience. That shared feeling makes the story even more memorable.
And maybe that helps language learning too.
Absolutely. The English we hear in emotional moments often stays in our memory much longer. When a line makes us laugh, cry, or cheer, we rarely forget it. Those words become connected to feelings, and feelings help memory.
So movies are not only entertainment, they can become powerful language teachers.
Exactly. Another wonderful thing is that movies help develop reading and listening comprehension. If you can follow a 2.5-hour story, understand the characters, follow the plot, and connect the events, you are training your brain to understand longer English content.
Like reading novels or long articles.
Yes, the same skills are involved. You learn to connect information. You learn to predict what happens next. You learn to understand meaning from context. All of these skills are useful for reading English books and understanding real English.
And what about watching the same movie again? Many learners think that sounds boring.
Actually, I think repetition is one of the greatest gifts. The first time, you follow the story. The second time, you notice details. The third time, you begin to understand more English. Each viewing gives you something new.
So the movie becomes richer every time.
Exactly. And each time, more English becomes part of you, not because you memorized it, but because you experienced it.
I like that. You are not studying English, you are living through English.
Beautifully said, Yang. So if there is a movie you love, don't be afraid to watch it again. And if possible, watch it with someone. A friend, a family member, your students, or an English learning group. The story may become even more meaningful.
And the English may stay with you much longer.
Exactly. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share it with a friend. And tell us, what movie has stayed in your heart?
We'd love to hear your story.
Until next time, keep listening, keep dreaming, and keep enjoying English.
See you again soon.
Ooh.